Hello, good morning everybody, and welcome to the wonderful world of Quicksilver exhausts. You are in the right place if you're an owner of one of these new Range Rovers, the P530. It's got the V8, it's the BMW engined one. Don't worry about those suggested videos on the left hand side, they're rubbish. You are in the right place. Quicksilver, we are the name for Range Rover exhaust, so we've been doing it for a very long time, so we know what we're doing. Anyway, we're under the car now with the OEM system, and I particularly wanted to show you why our system is so much better, because look at this compression here on the OEM system. I mean, there is not a lot of gas going to get through there. Our system opens that up quite a bit and you get a nice cut between the valves. We'll show you that later with the Sound Architect system. Ben is also moaning about the under tray, doesn't like these on these.
Got to be 100 bolts. 100 bolts for one under tray.
And that's got to come off because the system is our system is replacing these parts as well, isn't it, Ben? Right.
Goes from here back. There's a sleeve joint there.
Ah,
so
right.
Just pretty much a GPF back system, so it doesn't affect any of the emissions equipment.
Excellent. You get a lot of kit with this system that we supply, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really big system.
Yeah.
And I think it's because there's so much exhaust here, and it's a very different design to the older Range Rover.
Yeah.
Because obviously this is the 4.4 BMW engine, unlike the older 5 litres. They've completely changed the design, and then it comes into like 2 parallel pipes, very similar to other BMWs, and then a big transverse box.
Yeah.
Which Range Rover haven't been doing transverse boxes for years, so they've obviously gone back to it.
Yeah. Well, okay. Well, we'll see what it's like when you've done your thing.
Yeah.
Just hurry up a bit, the battery's not going to last long.
I'm trying.
So, look, I'm back, and that was a very quick turnaround. I only had the time to take my hat off, have a cup of tea, and Ben's done his work. I would probably say he's the fastest exhaust fitter in the south of the country. Maybe the whole country. We'll give him that. But yeah, quick rundown is the beautiful mirror transverse silencer there, which is very aesthetically pleasing from the rear of the car, though you don't really see it much with this massive bumper that sticks out the back. Our system, as you can see, you have valves on the inner pipes there, and they are controlled with the Sound Architect electrical module that sits in the boot, and that is controlled with your phone on your... Oh, hello, Rob. on your phone. So we'll see what it sounds like when we take it off the ramp. So there you go, you heard everything you needed to know already. So click the links below if you want to contact us and get one of these fantastic systems on your already amazing Range Rover. We look forward to hearing your one very soon, somewhere out in the stratosphere, and we'll see you on the next one. Done.